Good morning, class, and welcome back to our brand new lesson for this week. Hope you all are ready to jump into our new unit we are going to start, and this will be our last unit for K3 before we go to grade 1. Therefore, it is very important for you to listen to today's lesson and this week's. So today we are starting with something brand new. I need all your ears and eyes and lend them to me so we can study. Today we are talking about articles. Can you say it with me? Articles. It says it right here on the screen. Articles, a and an. Today we are going to be talking about when we use a and when we use an. So a and an are called articles. That is what we are studying today. We use a and an to refer to one person, animal, or thing. So any noun, am I right? Yes. So that is when we use a and an. But when do we use which one? Well, listen up because this is going to be the rules we have to study. Our first one says we use a before words starting with a consonant sound. We use an before words starting with a vowel sound. So listen carefully, class. Can you remember the 5 vowels? The 5 vowels is A, E, I, O, and U, right? Those are the 5 vowels we studied. So we use an before words starting with a vowel sound. So we see here at the example, an ant, because it starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. So that means all the other letters is a consonant. Am I right? Yes. So we have 5 vowels in the alphabet. All the other letters are consonant. And if it starts with a consonant, we use a, like a fish, a car, a tree. So class, this part is very important that we are going to have to study today. But don't worry, I have some examples for us that we can do together now. Just remember the 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. All right? So let's fill in the blanks with a or an. So the rule is we have to go look at the first letter of the word. Here, is this a vowel or a consonant? Letter B. What is our 5 vowels? Again, A, E, I, O, U. Does this one start with A, E, I, O, U? No, that means it is a consonant. Therefore, it's going to start with A. I spy A, B. But this one here, does this one start with a vowel? Yes, it starts with the letter A. So if it has a vowel, we use an. So let's read these sentences together real quick. I spy a bee. I spy an ant. So consonant, vowel. I spy a bee. I spy an ant. So we have a few that we are going to practice now together real quick. So, do you guys know what animal this is? This is a lobster. If you don't know, say it with me. Lobster. A lot of people like to eat lobster. It's a type of seafood we get in the sea. So, now remember the rule. Look at the first letter of the word. Is it a consonant or a vowel? A vowel is A, E, I, O, U. Is there a E, I, O, U? No, that means it's a consonant. And if it's a consonant, we use A. Read it with me. I spy a lobster. I spy a lobster. Very good. What about our next picture up here we have? This is a eel. Eel. Also a type of sea creature we see in the sea. Some of them can shock you. So let's see if you can do this one on your own. Fill in the correct article. Is it a or an? Remember the rule. Look, is it a consonant or a vowel? It's a vowel, right? It is the letter E. So, is it a or an? Let's see if you are correct. I spy an eel. Because it's the vowel, we use an. If it's not a vowel, we use a. What about the next one? We all know what animal this is right here, this little cutie. It's a penguin, right? A penguin. So see if you can do this one on your own. Fill in the blank with a or an. Look at the letter. Is it a vowel? No, the letter P is not a vowel. So which one do we use? A or an? I spy a penguin. It is not a vowel. If it's a consonant, we use a. What about the next one? We all know what bird this is. We studied this animal before. It's a eagle, right? A eagle. So now I want you to see if you can do this one on your own. Look at the beginning of the letter. Is it a vowel or a consonant? It's a vowel, right? A, E, I, O, U. So if it's a vowel, we use I spy an eagle. I spy an eagle. Then we have a few more words. See if you can do this one on your own. Look at the word. Look at if it's a vowel or a consonant. I spy an ox. Why is it an? Because O is a vowel. And if it's a vowel, we use an. What about the next one? What animal is this? We call this animal a walrus. Say it with me. Walrus. Walrus. So see if you can fill in it with a or an. Look at the letter. Is it a vowel? I spy a walrus. Well done if you had this correct. Then we have two more. Fill in the blank with a or an. So we know this is a bee, a worm, a butterfly, but these are types of insects. So the word we are looking at is insect. I spy. Is it A or N? Look at the letter. Is it a vowel? Yes, it is. A-E-I-O-U. So if it's a vowel, we use an. I spy an insect. And then our last word for today. Look at this ugly little frog right here. The word we are going to be looking at today is ugly animal. Ugly animal. This is not very beautiful, is it? Ugh. So see if you can fill in the blank with A or N. Ugly animal. So always look at the first word next to the article. Is it a vowel? Yes, indeed it's a vowel. I spy. So which one do we use if it's a vowel? I spy an ugly animal. There we go, class. So please, class, I need you to go practice the rule of when to use a or when to use an. A is for consonants and an is for vowels. It is very important that you go practice this. Please be sure to read all the words with me as well as the sentences, and then wait a couple of minutes for your activity video coming soon. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you in the activity video.